Promoting System.io for free can be achieved through various strategies. One effective approach is to register as a System.io affiliate, which allows you to earn generous commissions of 60% lifetime for every referral who upgrades to a paid plan. Begin by signing up for the affiliate program on the System.io website. Once registered, leverage your unique affiliate link to promote System.io across different platforms. Utilize social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to share informative posts highlighting the features, benefits, and user stories of System.io. Engage with online communities where your target audience congregates, and share your recommendations there as well. Consider hosting webinars, Q&A sessions, or tutorials focusing on System.io to showcase its capabilities to potential users. Additionally, create informative blog posts discussing System.io functionalities, use cases, and benefits, incorporating your affiliate link within the content. Produce tutorials, reviews, or comparisons of System.io with other platforms, and include your affiliate link in the video description. Participate in relevant discussions on forums like Reddit, Quora, or industry-specific communities, sharing your experiences with System.io and recommending it when appropriate. Another strategy is to offer free lead magnets, such as ebooks, checklists, or webinars, to capture email addresses of potential users. Educate your subscribers about the benefits of System.io and encourage them to try it using your affiliate link. Lastly, showcase success stories of businesses using System.io to demonstrate its effectiveness to your audience. By implementing these strategies consistently, you can effectively promote System.io and drive referrals while maximizing your earnings as an affiliate.